going? Alright, we're reviewing the Ryobi. Get a picture of this. 40 volt lithium brushless 14-inch cordless chainsaw. This is it. So the only thing I had to do with this thing, put the battery in, put some oil in, and we're going for it. Alright, so my idea is I'm just going to cut all the limbs off, and then we'll cut them up in pieces that we can haul. And then I'll just start taking small sections off until we get down. We'll just take pieces that we can carry. So when I chainsaw, what I do is I cut in maybe like a quarter of the way, and then I do the rest of it here. So once it breaks, then it has a way to, your blade doesn't get pinched in there. So if I go like that, so now if I go from behind it, it'll drop on Mary's car. Usually on big trees, right? Wherever you want it to go, you want to cut like a little notch out of here, so you go like this.
Why do you do that?
So then it gives it that angle where you want it to go. So if I wanted to fall this way, I put that little slice on this side.
Taught you that?
But wind plays a big role. Like any kind of wind's gonna push it. Another thing. So the reason I take that out is because then your blade won't get pinched. Oh, that was it.
Get that out, camera. Don't forget.
Alright, so that's what one battery can do. Good deal.
That is a good deal?
Yeah.
Did you bring your other one?
It's a lot of cutting. Alright, so this is battery number 2. I think I only have 3, what the hell do you call those? I think I only have 3 out of 4 lights on this baby. You see that? So this one isn't completely charged. I have this one for a rototiller I have. So I'm going to use this, cut up some of these branches over here. So what I have to do is, the battery just drops right in there. Pretty slick. Alright, so I'm going to cut up some of these. If I can get some one-handed deals. Try it. One hand. It's a one-hand cut. So this thing is like super quiet, and it's actually pretty impressive that electric can do that much. So I'm going to try to cut these up in pieces that we can carry and put somewhere. So let's see if I can set this up and do a time lapse.